Hey everyone, here is your overview of the Anvil 30 Arc ball head. In this video, we will discuss some key features, some compatibility, and how to utilize the Anvil 30 in conjunction with our adapters. So if you're in the market for any type of ball head for precision shooting, then this is the head for you. It's really the only head out there that was specifically engineered and designed for precision shooting. It's machined from T661 aircraft quality aluminum, features a Type 2 anodizing, making this one of the strongest and most reliable ball heads out. It features our Really Right Stuff patented dual clamp for both Picatinny and Arca Swiss style rails. It has an adjustable clamp tension, which far increases your compatibility with third-party plates and rails. It's super easy to use. It has a one-handed operation. It's fully ambidextrous for both right-handed and left-handed shooters. And just like all Really Right Stuff products, it's 100% made in the United States. So we often get asked, how do I use your Anvil with a non-Really Right Stuff tripod? And we're gonna show you. So here we have a tripod that features the industry standard 3/8 inch stud. Now you have a couple ways you can mount the Anvil. You can actually just direct thread the Anvil to the stud via the 3/8 inch socket on the bottom. Or if you would like to utilize the set screws in any of our adapters, you can do the same. 3/8 inch socket will mount directly to the 3/8 inch stud, like so. And if you want to utilize our adapters, those are for our Versa Series 2 and Series 3 tripods. It's a much better interface when you utilize the adapter in conjunction with our tripods, and I can show you how to do that. So if you have our Series 3 tripod, you're going to remove the platform by simply loosening your 3 set screws around the perimeter of the apex. Once those are loosened, you can remove the platform. And once you have your Anvil mounted to your adapter, you simply drop that into the apex and retighten your set screws. And this is actually going to give you a much stronger locking mechanism for the Anvil, where you have zero chance of accidentally unscrewing the Anvil when you're panning. If you have any questions or need any other product recommendations, please reach out to us at soar@reallyrightstuff.com.